Figma stock. The next big tech IPO or overhyped hype. What if I told you there's a company quietly revolutionizing how the digital world is built, and it could be one of the biggest IPOs in tech history? That company is Figma. But is the hype justified? Or is Wall Street getting ahead of itself? In this deep dive, we're uncovering everything you need to know about Figma's stock potential, its future IPO, the market it's disrupting, and whether it could be the next Adobe or something even bigger. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button for weekly deep dives into market-moving companies, upcoming IPOs, and the tech titans of tomorrow. What is Figma? Figma is a cloud-based design and collaboration tool founded in 2012 by Dylan Field and Evan Wallace. What sets it apart? Unlike Adobe's traditional software like Photoshop and Illustrator, Figma runs entirely in the browser. No downloads, no installations, just pure, real-time collaboration. Think of it like Google Docs, but for interface and product designers. Teams from around the world can design together in real time, leave comments, create prototypes, and hand off assets to developers, all in one place. In short, Figma democratized UI/UX design. Its user base has exploded, with over 4 million users in more than 190 countries. It's used by top tech companies like Google, Microsoft, Uber, Zoom, and Airbnb. The Adobe acquisition attempt in September 2022, Adobe announced its intent to acquire Figma for a staggering $20 billion. This shocked the tech and design communities. Why? Because Adobe already dominates the creative software market. Buying Figma was seen as an aggressive move to eliminate competition, but the deal never closed. Regulators in the US, EU, and UK raised antitrust concerns. After months of scrutiny, Adobe and Figma mutually agreed to abandon the acquisition in December 2023. This left Figma with massive publicity and a bigger valuation than ever. Figma's market opportunity. The design software market is massive and growing, but Figma is not just about design. It sits at the intersection of design, UX/UI, collaboration tools like Slack or Notion, prototyping, and developer handoff. Plus, with the rise of AI, Figma is integrating tools that allow designers to generate layouts, code, and entire workflows automatically. Think ChatGPT, but inside a design canvas. Its acquisition of AI Startup Diagram shows its commitment to AI-first innovation. The total addressable market, TAM, estimated over $50 billion, including enterprise software, design platforms, and developer tools. User growth, revenue, and business model. Figma's freemium model is a growth engine. You can use it for free, but teams pay for more advanced collaboration and enterprise-level features. Revenue in 2023 was reportedly over $500 million, growing at 60% plus annually. User breakdown. Individual designers and freelancers, free tier. Startups and product teams, pro tier. Fortune 500 companies, enterprise tier. Figma's churn is low, retention is high, and it spreads virally inside companies. One designer invites another, and before you know it, the whole team's on it. Will Figma IPO? Rumors of a Figma IPO have swirled since 2022. The abandoned Adobe deal valued it at $20 billion. That's the floor for its IPO valuation. As of mid-2025, the company is hiring a CFO, a strong IPO signal. Investor appetite is rising, especially as tech IPOs make a comeback. SoftBank, Sequoia, and Index Ventures are all investors. Experts believe an IPO could happen in late 2025 or early 2026, with a potential valuation of $25 to $30 billion. Competitive landscape Figma doesn't operate in a vacuum. Its key competitors include Adobe XD, struggling after the failed acquisition; Sketch, once dominant, now fading; Canva, moving up market into Figma's territory; Penpot, open-source contender. But none match Figma's combination of speed, real-time collaboration, browser-based platform, and enterprise features. Plus, integrations with tools like Jira, Notion, Slack, GitHub, and Zoom give Figma a big edge in workflow continuity. Bull case: why investors love Figma. Massive TAM across design, AI, and productivity. High growth rates and viral user acquisition, low churn, high retention. Built-in network effect inside teams, potential to expand beyond design into documents, code, presentations. A world-class founding team and product-led growth engine. Figma could become the next Atlassian or even Salesforce, a SaaS giant with expanding verticals. Bear case: what could go wrong? Valuation pressure. A $20 to $30 billion IPO could be overhyped. Heavy competition from Adobe, Canva, AI tools, feature bloat, and losing core user trust. Monetization pressure. Can they scale revenue without hurting UX? Market slowdown in tech hiring and design budgets. Investing strategies. If Figma IPOs, here are a few approaches. IPO allocation, if you can get in; high risk, high reward. Wait and watch. Let volatility cool post-IPO and buy on dips. Compare to peers. Look at Adobe, Atlassian, Notion to assess relative value. Look at ETFs. Some IPO-focused ETFs may include Figma. Risk management. Small position size, if speculative. The future of design, AI, and Figma's long-term play is about more than just design. It's about building a collaborative operating system for the internet, a place where teams create, test, iterate, and ship together. With AI integrated into design workflows, Figma could save companies millions in development costs and accelerate product cycles. If it can maintain its momentum, expand its offerings, and go public successfully, Figma might not just be a great product. It could be a generational company. What do you think about Figma's future? Would you invest if it IPOs this year? Are you already using it? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly deep dives into high-growth tech, the future of design, and the companies shaping our digital future. Like this video if you found it helpful. Hit the bell so you never miss a moment.